Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. Today I have another project pan update. I'm doing a rolling project pan this year for 2022, and I'm also doing a pan that palette challenge as well. So I hope it's okay that I'm including both of them in this video. Let me know if that's all right in the comment section. Fall is coming around the corner. I want to do lots of fall makeup tutorials and videos, and I'm so excited. So that's an extra video with something different I can post. But anyways, let's do an update. Grab a drink, grab a snack. I might have to go make another coffee because I am on a roll today. Let's dive right in. You guys, I'm so sorry if you can hear hammering and noises in the background. I apologize. They're doing construction on one of the apartments in my building and it's so obnoxiously loud. It's been going on for weeks, so I'm sorry. I hope that's not picking up on the microphone. I hope it's not too distracting for you. Anyways, so let's do an update on my Subculture palette from ABH Cosmetics. Now, if you guys saw my last update, by the way, I'll put both of my playlists down below in the description box, so make sure to go check that out. If you guys want to follow along with my progress and how I'm doing, go watch those videos first. So my last video, I finally hit pan on Roxy and Fudge, and I'm so happy to report I've hit pan on more shades. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So here is what my palette looks like, you guys. Oh my goodness, I am just ecstatic. So since my last update, I've hit pan on New Wave, Edge, and Destiny. Now Destiny, I did not expect to hit pan on, but I started doing more green looks again. I kind of go back and forth with like the yellows and the greens in here because, you know, there's quite a few greens and yellows. We've got New Wave. Let's see if you can see that pan. See that beautiful pan? Oh my goodness. So there's New Wave, and this one, you can see the pan right there, and then the green shade there, Destiny. I'm going to show you an up close of all the shades and kind of like the dips in the pans. I'm so proud of myself. I've been really sticking with it and using this palette as much as I can. But anyways, I'm just really glad that I've hit pan on 3 more shades. Oh my goodness. So I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh boy. I still have 8 shades in here that I want to hit pan on before January 2023. I know that's a really big goal because, I mean, we're already at the end of August. And there's not that many months left in this year, which is so crazy to me. I can't believe how quickly this year has flown by. So my goal, I thought I would mention my goal, I really want to hit pan on Electric. I feel like Electric has a really good dip, and even Cube has a really good dip as well. I really hate the texture of that one. And then I really want to hit pan on Rowdy. I've been scraping this one and creating different eyeliners. I've been using my AOA Studio waterproof eye makeup seal and mixing it with Access and Rowdy. So Rowdy I've actually almost hit pan on just from scraping into it and creating different eyeliners. So I think that's a really great way to use your darker shades if you're doing like a project pan. Definitely get your hands on that if you want something to have a mixing medium and like create different liners and stuff. It's so much fun. So that's pretty much it. That was my update with my Subculture palette for my Pan That Palette challenge this year. So let's dive into my rolling project pan. I'm gonna go through each item, pop up some pictures, and show you guys my progress for the month of August. So first up, we have the Lauren Conrad blush in Peony, and I am so happy to report, you guys. It's empty. I know, it's completely empty, and I am so excited. Look at her. I am just so thrilled that I finally finished this up. I don't think I've ever finished a blush before in my entire life. I don't think I ever have. And this is just really exciting. It was a really easy product to use up because it's so moisturizing. I love it on the lips as a lip balm. And that's pretty much how I got through this so quickly. I used it on my lips like every single day. You guys know I already love this, so it's done, you guys. Another product finished. Super excited to be done with that. So the product I'm going to roll in is a lipstick. So this is my first lipstick that I've done in a very long time in terms of doing like a project pan, and this is also from Lauren Conrad. I know, you guys, I just really thought, you know, this would be the perfect opportunity to use up things that have been discontinued or you can't find anymore, and I just want to get my money's worth, you know. So this is one of her bullet lipsticks in the shade shell. So that's how much product I have. It's pretty like full on, full size. It's a clean formula. It's a beautiful color. It's a really pretty, I'll do a quick swatch. I can see myself using this as an everyday fall lip color. It's just a kind of medium toned terracotta nude. It has a nice warmth to it and it's absolutely beautiful. Now I actually did experiment and I put this on my cheeks as a blush and it was so pretty, you guys. I'm definitely gonna have a lot of fun playing with this lip product and I'm really excited to use it up and see how long it takes me to use a bullet lipstick. So that is what I'm going to roll in to replace my blush that I finished. All right, an update with my Colourpop No Filter powder in Fair. I do have a little bit of a dip here, but not a whole lot of progress on this one. A little bit of this powder goes such a long way. This is one of my favorite powders. It's so finely milled. So not a ton of progress with this one. I don't know if I'll hit pan in the next month or so. I'm kind of savoring this one because I think this again has been another discontinued product. I tell you what, all of my favorite things, you guys, have been discontinued this year and it really makes me sad. Yeah, not a whole lot of progress on this one. I have been using it. But it just takes a long time. So my update with the Mary-Lou-Manizer from the Balm Cosmetics, I have made a little bit of progress with this one. You can see along the edge, I'm seeing more and more pan, and definitely this edge here, this corner where a chunk is missing, it's definitely starting to break off into chunks. So I'm trying really hard to avoid that. But again, this is such a pigmented highlighter. I've been definitely trying to use this as an eyeshadow on my face. I saw someone mixing in a like highlighter or eyeshadow with their body butter. So I think I'm actually going to start scraping into this, really digging into it and using it as like a body shimmer. Let me know if that's a good idea. I don't know. I haven't done that before. So all my Project Pan peeps out there, tell me in the comments if I should do that with this product. I think that would be kind of fun just to kind of speed up the process because we're getting so close to the end of this year and I feel like I haven't made that much of a progress with this one. The picture from my last update, comparing it to now, I do see a little bit of a difference. So I did better than my last update. So I think I'm on the right track. I just need to incorporate this into more ways to use it, I guess. So that is my update on my highlighter. Moving on to my BH Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Muse. I love this lip liner. I've been really using this a lot the past couple of weeks, so I have made a little bit of progress. I just freshly sharpened it today. I definitely been trying to use this more like all over and not just outlining my lips. And I definitely have been going through a little bit faster. And I've been kind of like, I don't know, just using different colors over top and just trying to make it work and use it every time I wear a lip color. I'm not wearing it today, but yeah, this color is so pretty. It's like the perfect neutral taupey mauve, I don't know, pinky nude. And yeah, that's my update on my lip liner. So the last two products are eye products. So first up, we have the Flower Beauty Vinyl Eyes Glossy Gel Eyeliner in Purple Quartz. And if you guys are new here, I'm using up all of my Flower Beauty eyeliners this year. And I think so far I've used up 2. So this is my 3rd one and I do have 1 more after this. So I'm so excited, you guys. So my progress with this one, we are so close. I am so excited. I have just a tiny bit left. I've actually been sharpening this because there is actually a sharpener at the bottom if you didn't know. It's been so easy to do like a soft wing liner and I just love it. I love this color. It's been so easy to just use it as an eyeshadow base, as a liner and smudge it out along my lash line. And I have just a tiny bit left. So my goal for my next update is to be completely done with this, and I think I can definitely do it because there's just a tiny nub left. And it's fun using something that you love, right? That's something that a lot of you have commented below in my Project Pan videos, is always pick items you love and enjoy. So excited, you guys. My next update, I just know this is going to be gone. So that's my goal with this one, is to have this used up completely. And then last but definitely not least, I have my e.l.f. and Jkissa Tsuki to My Heart. This is the glitter eyeshadow duo. I finally used up enough product on both sides to where I removed the stopper. So the stopper is completely removed. You can just take tweezers and just gently pull it out and it came out really easily. Now I can dig inside the container and really scoop out the product a lot easier. So definitely the white shimmery side is almost gone. Like there's just a tiny bit left. I'm really having to get down in there and scrape it out. I might have to get a different tool to get down to the very, very bottom, but honestly, this is just about gone. So my goal for my next update is to have this completely gone as much as possible and scrape out as much as I can. And then the update on the other side, you can definitely see my progress with the green one. I have been using this constantly and I'm actually sick of it. I cannot wait. I cannot wait until this is gone. So again, I'm gonna really try hard and use this up by my next update. There's quite a bit left in here, but I'm gonna try. Like there's more in here versus the white side, so we'll see how that goes. So that's it, you guys. That is my update on my rolling project pan and pan that palette challenge as well. I hope you enjoyed this update. Leave a comment down below and tell me, how are you guys doing on your project pans this year? I want to know. If you guys want to see my other updates, I will put the playlist down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I so do appreciate it. It helps me out so much. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos on Tuesdays and Fridays every week. You can also find me on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I'm all over the place, so go follow me on there as well. Again, links are always down below, you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next update. Bye!